What I'm going to do is to replace a laptop keyboard. So before we start, always remember that we have to remove the battery. Okay, this is the battery. Move. See the keyboard. By the way, the model of this laptop is Fujitsu FMB Biblo NEIX26X. Of the laptop, there's a two screw here, so we have to remove the screw first. Okay, you can easily access the screw. Just open here. By the way, I already removed the screw. After removing the screw, we can now open the keyboard. But be careful. Always be careful to remove the keyboard because there's always a ribbon wire connecting to the motherboard of the keyboard. So it's easy. It's very easy to remove it. Just remove the clip. Then you can now get the keyboard. This is the keyboard of the laptop. Okay, so I can now replace the keyboard. So to get it back, just put the ribbon wire to the motherboard. Okay, just put it carefully because it might be broken. Then flip it again. Then you can now place the keyboard. Oops. There it is. Then put back the screws, the cover as is. Now it's very easy to remove and back the keyboard. Now we'll put the battery again back here. Then that's it. It's very simple to remove the laptop keyboard.